What's going on, everybody? You're watching GT Sam, I'm Sam, and this is my brand new used Acura TL project car. Why did I buy this? Well, you're gonna find out. I had a smoking deal on this thing, and I think I can fix it, and we shouldn't have many problems on it. So, what are the major issues? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. So, let's first start with the exterior here. Now, I wanna go ahead and point out that this, wait. No, wait, these are my rims. This is my car. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. That's right, hold on. Got confused here for a second. Oh, give me a second here. I got this. Okay, sorry about that mishap there. I think you can see why I got a little confused on what car was where. But anyways, here it is, my brand new Acura TL project car. So, what's going on with this thing? What do we got to do to it actually get up and running? And why did I buy it? Okay, well, let's start with why did I buy it? Well, it's a project. I saw it listed there and I was like, yeah, this is kind of like my car. I can go ahead and work on this. I can fix this, no problem. Exactly my thoughts. But there's a few things going on here right now, especially with the exterior. Now, the paint right here is immaculate. Looks great. The headlights here, okay, they're fine. They need a little buffing out. That's okay. But in the front, it got kind of smacked here by a little bit of a deer. Still functional. All good. Still closes and latches. All that good stuff. A little scuffing on the bumper here. I got a little ding here from being bent from the rust. I actually got some rust from being bent from the deer hit in the front there. And then otherwise, the whole side of this thing and the rims, everything looks really good, wouldn't you say? That's what I think. We got these rain plasticky things on there too. Exhaust is still there. All is well with that. And so it drives well when it wants to drive well. What do I mean? I think you'd already know what that means. Transmission issues. Okay, we kind of know that the transmission on these are not exactly resilient and tough all the time. But with mine, I have over 270,000 miles on that thing and not a hiccup. It's superior in strength and running and driving. It's amazing. I love it. And I've taken really good care of it. And one of the secrets is to actually use OEM Honda fluid and filter. And you do a drain and fill on that and not flush, and you're good to go every once in a while. But I got this, and I was like, the guy listing it was saying that it runs and drives, but has transmission issues. I thought, okay, I can do this, no problem at all, right? Well, I hope not. I hope there's no problem, so we're gonna find out eventually. So that's one of the main caveats with this thing, and otherwise, it has everything you really need on it. Even has AC that's working too. This thing came from a dust bowl, almost in the backwoods of Pennsylvania here. Under the hood is dusty and dirty, in the interior is dusty and dirty and grimy, and we're gonna go ahead and clean everything up here, and then from there, we're gonna go ahead and flip it and sell it. And I'm excited to start working on this thing, and I can't wait to see what we find and how good we can go ahead and make this car run again, especially with the transmission issues there. Is it gonna be easy? Is it gonna be fast? Well, it might be easy. Probably not fast because things never really work out that way for me anyways. But is it easy? I really sure do hope so. We're gonna go ahead and show you a little bit around this car, a little more further in detail. So let's hit it. The Acura TL number 2. It's like the brother of the one over there. This is amazing. Same color and everything. Look at it. Still got some shine in it too. This part. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, it looks great. Nice. But it's got a few dings and rings and dings and all kinds of stuff like that. And boy, is it dirty. Holy cow. Man, it is so dusty, dirty, grimy. Just like, got this like, look, it kind of cleans up. So I think we can definitely do really well. This is just begging to be revived. The paint, okay, you see, look how deep this is. It can be touched up and fixed up. Of course, there's some things like this that I'm not gonna touch. But here's like in here, I got all of this, and like, yeah, that comes up. That's just dust. This guy lived in the woods, and it was dusty and dirty on the road, and so interior is dusty and dirty. Everything is too. But boy, I'm excited to fix this up. This wants to ride again. But hey, we got at least a nice little mod right there. Do this side. Oh, this side open. Boy, oh boy. I mean, look. Yeah, we can clean that up, no problem. Boy, it's the same exact car as my TL, except the interior is gray. But look at the seats, not bad. Dash is not horribly cracked. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's just, oh, look at this. Oh, it's so dirty. Wow. So much dust. Man. Woohoo! Look at that dirt. That's a good buildup right there. What do we got? Oh yeah. That's good. But, it doesn't really sting. And door's closed, so that's good. Yeah, boop-a-doop. What's we got? Yeah, we got a little whoop-de-doo there. And all right, here we go. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, boy, a gun casing. Wait. Oh, it's actual bullet. Oh, jeez. Wait, is it like a dud? Wait, what the heck? Whatever. Let's keep it there. Maybe people say would be like, no, I won't touch that. Oh, God. Got stuck. Oh, man. Free rag, free dirt. Good. Got the mats. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, baby. Battery is completely shot. We need to really take care of that. All righty. Yeah. Oh, hey, a socket. Nice. Oh, boy. Oh, what kind is this? 19, baby. Yeah. What else have we got? We got the order manual. Good, man. Oh, more sockets. Check that out. Oh, yeah. What do we got? Oh, I got them. We got 15/16 and another 3/4. Sweet. Paperwork. All right. Nice. Oh, no way. What is all this? Wait. Oh, air fresheners. A change holder? Dude, my Acura TL didn't come with that. Legit. Oh. And an adapter. All right. Some other stuff. All right. It's this. Haha. I need that. I need it for my Cadillac, too. So, good stuff. Oh, boy, look at this. This is exciting. Oh, sunroof. Very nice. Got some more papers. What's this paper? And check that out. Take it off camera. And there you have it. So all in all, it looks definitely like a project car and has issues here and there and some small things we really got to take care of, but I think it should be okay. And the word is should, but we're gonna find out. The transmission could be as easy as a drain and fill and the new filter on there. Who knows? And maybe some solenoids. Or we could be in a complete world disaster and it could just be a whole new unit in there. But I'm not gonna go that far because we don't have the time, the resources for that, and wouldn't be worth it on this kind of car, especially what I paid for it. Really, most of this is a lot of detail work as well, because in the engine bay and the exterior and the interior all just need a really good cleaning. All right, everybody, what do you think of my Acura TL that I got as a project here? You think I should not have gotten this? Do you think it's going to be a big boat anchor? You think I'm going to be able to sell what I paid for or more if we fix some of the problems? I can only imagine some of your other thoughts going through your head right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and leave some comments down below, and I'd love to read those in the comment section and respond, and we can talk about what things are going on with this car along the way. And if you like this video and you love Acura TLs, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And also make sure you subscribe for more content on this and some other cars that are right behind you there as well. Not these cars going behind me. We have a lot to do and a lot coming up here, and we have a very short window amount of time. Also, I gave myself 3 weeks to work on this thing and get it flipped and sold. And now we have to move fast and get this out of here. All right, everybody, that's it for now. This is GT Sam, I'm Sam, and I'll catch you next time.